A groundbreaking new treatment for cancer could come to the market soon, but it could also come at a high cost to you, the taxpayer. Kite Pharma pays several millions of dollars a year to the government to help pay for research. But that is sparking debate as to whether taxpayers are on the hook for helping with a drug that could end up unaffordable to most patients. Dr. Nicole Saphier is a cancer radiologist, and she joins us now. Good to see you again, Dr. Saphier.
Good morning. Thank you for having me today.
You're welcome. So this sounds like a great idea, using immunotherapy to help cancer patients. Is it a good idea?
Absolutely. So Kite Pharma is one of the 3 leading contenders racing currently to bring this novel technology to everyone. And what it is, essentially, immunotherapy is not just another way to treat cancer. It has the potential to cure certain types as little as 1 single dose. Now, very commonly, what happens, we have a private sector who's attempting to bring this technology to the market, and they need to work in collaboration with some of our nation's experts, universities, and hospital systems to test the safety and efficacy of these medications. Now, most of these systems are under the $32 billion budget from the National Institutes of Health, and so that is where you are seeing some taxpayers' dollars helping bring these medications to the market.
Yeah. You know, I've lost a lot of my family members to cancer. It's the one thing in our family that just continuously hits us pretty hard. So I would pay millions of dollars if I had it to help fight cancer or find a cure for cancer. I know that I was doing some research. Kite Pharma, the company that's doing this, the first to market new immunotherapy treatment, their stock is worth $170 million. But critics are saying the owner of this company, or the stock market, they're making a lot of money off of these drugs, and Americans are paying twice. So we're paying for the research and for the development, but then if you get cancer and you need it, you have to pay again. Are critics on point with that? I mean, do you agree with them?
So it's very controversial. Essentially, the NIH does not take equity in these companies. So once the medication does come to market, the profits do stay in the private sector with a nominal amount going back to the government. And so what we see are these medications come out and then they're price gouged, and where a lot of insurance companies won't cover them, and then patients can't afford them.
So patients could get well if they take these drugs, but they can't afford them, so they end up dying?
Well, we have a lot of other treatments that are saving many lives. As we mentioned before, cancer deaths are on the decline. With the implementation of the 21st Century Cures Act, we've already started groundbreaking thinking on how to solve this. By indirectly decreasing billions of dollars of research and development by the pharmaceutical companies, we're lessening federal regulations, which will bring these treatments to the market in a less expensive way, faster, saving more lives quicker.
That's wonderful. How far away are we from maybe making these drugs free or making them a lot more affordable for the insurance companies?
Well, free, I don't think that's probably going to happen. We live in a free enterprise market. But arbitrarily capping profits of our private sector is not necessarily the right thing to do either. I mean, that's the way America's based on. But we definitely should not be decreasing funding to our nation's top scientists, because we will all suffer if we do that.
Will patients get a discount since they've already put money into this research?
Well, again, that is going to have to go through. We're going to use the Cures Act to try and decrease how much it costs to bring these to the market. And if we are increasing price competition, then they will become more affordable.
All right, good deal. Thank you, Dr. Saphier. Good to see you again.